Hey guys, welcome back to Misha's Corner, and also welcome back to another segment of Cooking for Babe. Today we'll be making some easy, simple jerk snapper with a jerk cream sauce with some roasted veggies. So let's get started. As we all know, fish cooks in like 2-3 minutes, so I'm going to season up the vegetables first. So to my corn here, I'm going to add some coconut oil. As you know, you have to melt that down to get it all in there. I'm going to put the seasonings on the corn, but I'm going to mix it up off camera. You're going to add salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Simple and easy. You don't even need to add anything to this actually, because this corn is super sweet. And my red chili flakes. I'm putting some heat on here because I made this corn in my soup and it was really sweet. So I'm putting some heat on here. So yeah, so now we're going to season up the zucchini. I forgot to do it on camera. I'm adding some cilantro to my corn. Again, make sure you mix that up. While I'm at it, I might as well add it to my zucchini. I chopped up 2 whole zucchinis, removed the seeds because I don't like the seeds of the zucchini, so I removed it. Some red chili flakes, as we already did for the corn. Don't worry, it's not going to be too hot. I have a lot of zucchini here. Some coconut oil. Some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Season your veggies if you want them to taste good, especially if you're giving them to your kids. You might want to omit the red pepper flakes though. Then you're going to add some lemon zest. As we all know, zucchini cooks really fast also, so we're going to throw the corn in the oven first for about 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to toss the zucchini down in there. And that's it. So easy and simple. No fuss, no big deal. The vegetables are already done. Alright guys, so now I'm going to pop my corn in the oven after 15 minutes. Well, 10-15 minutes. I'm going to add the zucchini and onions that are over there. Alright guys, so now we're on to the snapper. I had a long, beautiful snapper fillet here and I sliced it in two. To this, I'm going to season the snapper with some Jamaican jerk, Blue Mountain Country Jamaican jerk. I'm going to use the dry one on the fish, and then the wet one we're going to use in the cream sauce. And all we're adding to the cream sauce is the wet jerk, some heavy cream, and some lemon juice, and maybe some salt if we even need it, because it's spicy and seasoned, so we might not need the extra salt in there. So you're just going to take your salt to your fish. You have to season your fish, however. This jerk seasoning, I already tasted it. It doesn't have much salt in it. I don't think it has salt at all in there. So you want to season both sides of your fish. You're going to add your jerk spice. And just rub it in. You don't need too much. It's hot, so be careful. This is fish. It couldn't overpower it. So all we're going to do is sear it on the stove. Sear it on the stove. Pull it out. Then we're going to make the cream sauce and we're done. I almost forgot to show you guys the cilantro. I'm also going to season this with some cilantro. Extra flavor, color. Yeah. We're also going to add a little bit of it to the sauce at the end. Alright guys, so I have my fish searing off. And we're going to remove it. Get rid of the oil. As usual, I'm using coconut oil. And then we're going to make the sauce. Alright guys, so I removed my fish. Now I'm going to melt down some butter down in here. This is my fish right here. Nice and golden. I cooked it about 3 minutes per side. I hate overcooked snapper. It's the worst. So that's what you don't want to do. Once you melt your butter down, I already cut my stove down. It was pretty high while I was making my fish. I cook my fish on like medium-high heat. You're going to add your heavy whipping cream. Mix this up. Now I'm going to add my wet jerk. About a couple tablespoons of that. It's definitely to taste, you guys, so a tiny bit of salt. It's definitely to taste, so make sure you taste it. You're going to reduce this sauce by half. And then last minute, we're going to squeeze the lemon juice down in here and also some cilantro. And that's pretty much it. Like, we're done. And also I'm about to add the zucchini to the corn. Alright, as you can see, my sauce reduced and it's nice and thick. Last minute, you're going to squeeze your lemon juice down in here from your fresh lemon from earlier, the one we zested on the vegetables. Right down in there. Start with half first. Cut your stove off. You're also going to add your cilantro from earlier. Well, I had to chop some more. And mix this in. The color is so pretty. And it tastes so good. So this is the sauce for my snapper. I'm going to plate it all up and let you guys see exactly what it looks like. And wrap this video up. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Let me make sure I'm in focus so you guys can really see. I wish I could explain how delicious this smells. Okay, so we have the snapper right here with the jerk sauce, cream sauce right here. It's nice and creamy. I have my snapper here, a lemon wedge. I already started squeezing lemons over my fish because I'm definitely going to dig in. I have my corn. I stood it upright. And my salt and my veggies over here that we all, we roasted it all in the oven. It's a pretty easy and simple recipe. You really can't mess it up. There's no really real measurements to this or, science. You just throw it in the oven, sear it off in a skillet, and we're done. So, I'm going right in here because I love snapper and I really want to try my fish. This is so good. Oh man, this is so good. This is so good and lemony. The jerk comes through. It's not overpowering, especially in the cream sauce. I tried my hardest to prevent that. My vegetables are still nice and crisp. This makes me happy. I'm sorry. It's so good. But I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, take pictures, tag me. I will repost you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Remember, all ingredients of everything I make is always in my description box on my website. Okay, guys. Bye.